Time to disable your VPN, speed up, address local services, or tackle tech woes. Whether it's a quick fix or a lasting change, let's dive into how to disable VPN on both iPhone and Android. Ready to roll? Let's get cracking. When it comes to deactivating your VPN, you might need to do it on a temporary basis or permanently. Let's walk you through the steps for disabling it on your iPhone and Android device separately. Let's jump in and get this sorted out. Hey iPhone users, here's how you can take a breather from your VPN. For a temporary break, you've got two simple methods. First, open your VPN app and hit the connection button to disable the VPN. Second way is to head over to settings on your iPhone, locate the VPN option, and toggle it off to disable the VPN. For a more permanent goodbye to your VPN, still in settings, select your VPN of choice, tap on the additional information icon, and look for the delete VPN option. Give it a tap to bid farewell to the VPN configuration for good. Android users, here's how you can take a break from your VPN. For a temporary pause on Android, simply open your VPN app on your phone and tap the button to disable the connection. For a more lasting change, follow these steps. Open settings on your Android device. Navigate to network settings and locate the VPN option. Tap on the eye icon for additional information. Finally, hit the remove button to permanently delete the configuration file from your phone. Looking for a VPN that's both swift and secure? UFO VPN is the way to go. With UFO VPN's split tunneling feature, you have the power to customize which websites connect through the VPN and which ones don't. This flexibility allows you to access global and local content simultaneously while maintaining fast speeds. UFO VPN's extensive network boasts over 2,000 servers worldwide, breaking down barriers and granting you access to a vast array of content from across the globe. Acting as a digital fortress, UFO VPN ensures your sensitive data remains secure with top-tier encryption and a strict no-logs policy, safeguarding your personal information from prying eyes. For a VPN that's easy to disable but safer to keep on, try UFO VPN now to stay secure and private online.